It's the bottle of mom.
Yo, mom. Okay, so basically I've been meaning to speak to you for a while. So basically, what you want? I've got a girlfriend, and it's been amazing. We've been speaking for quite a while. I mean, I really like her, mom. I really like her. And I think you like her too. And I'm bringing her to the house today. And you know, you can cook some food. You know, your amazing Jamaican chicken or oxtail. But please, can you not say anything awkward or like try and show her my baby pictures, especially the naked ones, because you know I wasn't developed then. Yes. But yeah, I can't wait. Thanks for listening, Mark. Yeah, it's been amazing having a chat with you. Yes, Varna. All right.
Girl, you're perfect. You're always worth it, and you deserve it. The way you work it, 'cause girl, you earned it. Shit.
Hey, babe.
Hey.
Thank you so much for coming.
Oh, thanks for inviting me.
Honestly, I can't wait for you to meet her.
I know, I'm so nervous.
Don't be nervous. She's a crazy one, not you.
Yeah, but what if she doesn't like me and I am pretty crazy?
Trust me, she's gonna like you. And you're amazing, and you're my girl. Give me a kiss.
Barney!
Yes, mom.
Come in here, son. Yeah, come in here.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Barna, just having a quick workout. Me did call you come on you know what's all them exercise for me to get a big body. You can't stay single forever. Some man have to come in and work this out. Me just do my squats. Me just do my squats. Mom. Yeah? Oh. Sorry dear. Just close the door a second. Close the door.
Oh my goodness! Varna, come in here, son.
Yes?
Mister, come in. I want to talk to you.
Okay, just wait here for a second.
Yes, babe, wait there.
Need to speak to mom.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Varna, why you never tell me say he's inviting someone to the house? I told you. Remember earlier on when you was on the toilet with me a pool? I didn't know you were doing. What am I doing in the bathroom? Playing Monopoly? Of course I'm pooing. And of course when they are pool, me not listen to you. I know you got the girl, I come here, I think to me crazy. Me soon be with you there, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
I just need to stop you for a second. Do you not realize that she's just behind the door? Well, of course she's behind the door. I'm not stupid. Yeah, well, she's behind the door, mom, which means she can hear you. Bloody heck, man. She can hear me. Ow! Ow! What's that for? She thinks me crazy, and that's all because of you. Hello, love.
Hi.
Hi. Well, come in. Don't be scared. Don't be shy. Come in, love. Come in.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, I'm not crazy.
Oh.
Just come in.
Oh, babe.
So you doing this to me, man. So, lady, who is you? You are Devana? Duh, of course she's my youth. Me not talk to you.
Hi. Yeah, I'm his girlfriend. It's really nice to meet you.
Well, it's not nice to meet you. That's rude. Me no business. If you did tell me, say, she was coming, then it would be nice to meet her.
No, honestly, it's fine. He should have told you that I was coming.
Exactly. Me I start feel like, you know, girl power.
Well, yeah, again, it's really nice to meet you finally.
Alright, stop talk. I'm just gonna go up for a second. Me I go get ready. Me I go come back. I'm gonna talk to Uno. Alright? Okay, wait here. calm down. Take your coat off. Chill out. Yeah. Alright, just put it there.
Don't just put it there. Okay, you better tell her that you put it there.
Alright. I have my questions. Time for the interrogation. Sit down, sit down. How about this?
Oh, that's my coat.
You call this?
Yeah, Devana said it was.
Devana said nothing. Take your bloody coat, man. Me don't know where you come from, but in here, we hang our clothes up. Alright?
I mean, I can go and hang it up if you want.
You better hold that coat, you know?
Yeah. Just hold it. Okay.
Question number 1. Is that your real eyes?
Yeah. Well, my dad's got blue eyes and my mom's got brown, so then now I have green.
Okay. Never heard of that before.
Yeah. Well, I had blue eyes when I.
Alright, me now ask you a life story. Alright. Question 2. You real hair
Yeah,
that?
this is my hair.
It kinda look like mine.
Yeah, it's the same. We've got like really similar hair. Actually, I really love it.
Don't touch me here, man! Yeah, I do. You can never touch a black woman here. Alright, you should know that because you're halfway there.
Halfway there. I don't get
Well,
it.
you're half black, you're half white, you come together, you're halfway there. Oh, you don't get the joke, Mario. Hey,
I get it. That's funny.
is you a pig?
What?
Stop doing that.
Yeah, I'm a snorter.
Me not like that. It's a bit aggressive. Alright, you need to change your laugh.
Savannah loves it. He thinks it's really cute. He says he loves everything about me.
Really? Really?
Yeah.
Alright. So, what do you do?
I do art. Yeah, I really love to draw. I'm a really good drawer.
That's not a real profession.
Well, it is, because then you would be an artist.
No, that's not a real thing. Me need someone that can make Varna have him stay. Cause Varna, him illegal. He didn't tell you that.
Yeah, no, he didn't tell me that.
Mm.
He didn't.
Him not having papers.
Yeah, it's fine. I really like your robe, by the way. It's really nice.
Mm.
It looks brand new.
It is.
Yeah?
Kinda.
Is it from Debenhams?
No. Primark.
Primark, oh, that's...
No, Primark.
Oh.
That's what you're thinking.
Okay.
No, there's an actual shop called Primark.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
It's in Tooting.
Oh my goodness! Is it a calla lily?
I guess so.
Oh my goodness! This is a rare flower. It was found by a gentleman named David Calla Lily, and I mean they named it after him because obviously it's his last name. It's. Did you pick this?
Obviously.
You can't pick flowers because they die.
I didn't know you were so passionate about flowers.
Why did you pick it? You know, if you pick plants, they die. You can't just pick plants.
Give me the flower.
Okay. Here you go.
Well, anyway, enough about the flowers. No, it really did.
Yeah, I'll just.
I did think Savannah was gay. Yes.
Well, he's certainly not gay because. Well,
Oh, you know that.
I know because we've made love.
You did what? You touch him winky dinky? But kiss me granata fairy. What you do?
Fairy. Oh my goodness, I love fairies. I really love fairies.
How you go from touching me son to talking about fairies?
Fairies? Are you saying fairy?
I said fairies.
No, not what's Terry's?
Fairies.
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 Oh.
I saw me say fairies.
I thought that you said fairies.
That's what I said.
Oh. Okay. Yeah. Fairies. Well, Yeah, well, yeah, I love them. Yeah, actually.
False alarm. Achoo! 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 Stop doing that! Why are you throwing pixie dust at me?
It's fairy dust. Yeah, it's so good for when you sneeze. It takes away all the bad spirits. It's amazing and it's beautiful. It's such a lovely colour as well. See, look, you're not sneezing anymore. Those bad spirits have gone away.
But I'm speechless. I think saying that I'm no more Christian,
Okay.
and I definitely don't have no more sneezing to do.
Because of the
No, not because of the pixie dust. So I'm just gonna go and cook some food.
Oh my goodness, yeah, I would love. Yeah, Devana says that you're an amazing
Alright,
cook.
listen, stop talking. Me done.
Okay.
Something I talk about Aries. Bad spirit. Oh! Make yourself at home, alright?
Really?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Alright. Oh, and by the whoa! Oh, you did that? Oh, you get changed so fast.
Well, you told me to be comfortable, so I am.
I didn't mean like that. Wicked witch of the West. No man believe in voodoo.
Oh my goodness! I mean, I can't wait to try your mum's cooking.
Oh man, I know that she's a bit local, but that's the one thing I can say.
Yeah.
She can cook.
Oh, that's great. I'm so
Me
hungry.
too, man.
You told her I was vegan, right?
Yeah, no doubt.
Devana?
No, I did.
Yeah.
I specifically remember saying, Mum, you can cook some food. You know, your amazing Jamaican chicken or oxtail.
Great, because I mean, the last thing I want is for her to just come out here with a plate full of meat, and then I'm just looking at those poor animals, and then I just start going, I mean, you know how I get.
Hey, calm down, breathe. Woosa. Come on, don't work yourself up. You know how you get when you work yourself up.
Yeah.
You sweat from your eyes and you bleed from your ears.
Oh, I love that you love everything about me.
Of course. Okay, everybody. Hi, Mom. Food is served.
She was actually just talking about you and about your amazing cooking.
And how you're gonna make the vegan food. What?
Yeah.
Vegan? My youth. I'm chicken.
Chicken?
What do you mean?
Bloody chicken? Are you serious? Oh my goodness, that's disgusting. Out of order. You're a murderer.
You're a murderer?
You're a murderer.
We are talking about, girl.
Disgusting.
How dare you come into my house and talk about my food and like you don't want to eat my food?
And cook
Listen,
and
you
hate
are
you for doing
slaughtering
that.
me
It's
now with your
disgusting.
breath.
No,
You need to
living
eat the
thing.
chicken.
No, you
Nobody
don't
loves
need to
chicken
eat-
like
It's
Giovanna.
disgusting. You're mad. It's chicken. It is a living
chicken.
thing.
It is
It
not
living.
chicken.
It has
This
life.
not live.
That chicken
This not
has
live.
every
Look,
right
look,
to walk this
look.
earth.
You are foul. You are foul. And guess
I'm
what?
foul. I'm
Guess
foul.
what? You are so fat. Ladies.
Shut up!
up,
No, I
boy.
hear it. You're
And
disgusting. No, that
FYI, me
chicken
know like the
has
way you are
every
talking
right.
to me, so you're not on the ground gun. No, babe, wait, babe. No, the girl mess up my food. Oh no, wait, the lovely chicken. Oh, R.I.P. chicken. She don't know, you know. We don't mess with chicken like that, man. Mom, why would you do that? What? Mom, I really liked her. I'm just telling the truth. The girl, she's stupid, and quite frankly, you shouldn't like her. What does that even mean? I was always thinking, say, anyone will be good for you. But no, today, boy, you proved me wrong, car boy. You were too good for her. Whatever, man. Anna, don't be like that, man. Vanna, there's plenty of a girl in the sea. Alright.
Somebody on them period.